Micah,
What?
it's been a long time since we reunited with our show.
Damn, I forgot about the show.
Like, Michael, look at me, and look at you, and look at a little bit. Like, Michael, look at you. You look like...
Evan, why would you say that? That was so rude of you.
Michael, I mean, even is right. Look at you. See, Michael, I told you she'll agree with me. Like, look at you. You look like nothing. Like, you just look like... Yeah, Michael, look at you. You look like nothing. I could date your skin. Anyways, can I sit with you guys, please?
Sure, I guess just take a seat.